In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a deposit without an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This handy feature can streamline your financial record keeping when you need to account for funds that aren't directly associated with a sales invoice. Let's dive into it and see how straightforward it can be. To start, navigate to the QuickBooks Online interface. Once you're there, take note of the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New. This button is your gateway to a whole array of financial tasks, so go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you're opening up a menu of options related to transactions and records you might need to handle in QuickBooks. From the menu, look for the option labeled Bank Deposit and select it. This tool is specifically designed for situations where you need to account for money coming into your business that's not directly linked to an invoice or billable service. For instance, you might be depositing funds received from a loan, investment, or even a personal contribution to your business. The bank deposit feature helps keep these transactions separate and clearly documented in your financial records. Next, you'll see a form where you need to fill out several important details. This is a critical step as it helps ensure accuracy in your accounting. Begin with choosing the correct bank account where the deposit will be recorded. This might be your main business account, a savings account, or even a specific account designated for special transactions. Next, input the date of the deposit. It's important to ensure that this date accurately reflects when the money was actually deposited into your account for precise record keeping. Now, move on to the deposit amount. Carefully enter the total sum you are depositing. Double-checking this figure is key, as it directly impacts your financial statements and your understanding of your available funds. Once all the essential information is entered, take a moment to review the entries for any potential errors. Mistakes can happen, especially during busy workdays, so it's always wise to give everything one final look. After you're satisfied with the information, head over to the Save and Close button and click it. This action will save your work and update your financial records to reflect the new deposit. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully made a deposit without an invoice. Mastering these small but crucial steps in QuickBooks Online can significantly enhance your financial management tasks, making them easier and less time-consuming. Remember, maintaining clear and accurate financial records is a cornerstone of successful business management. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.